Today we're going to talk about drills. I know drills are a pretty common thing. Most people know how to use them without any issue, but some people are just beginning at DIY, and it's good to start somewhere just with some basics. This is a power drill. Obviously there are battery drills as well. This has what's called a keyless chuck. Years ago you had to have this little steel key that would open and close what's called the chuck on the drill to put your different types of drill bits in. Now with the keyless chuck I can easily open and close the chuck simply by either putting it in forward or reverse and hitting the trigger. And I have to hold on to this black part of the chuck so it will open and close. So if I want to put a drill bit in, I drop it in, I make sure I'm in forward, and I hold that chuck until it locks in place and I'm all set. Okay, and if I want to change my drill bit, I have a brad point bit in there right now. If I want to change it out, put it in reverse, hold that black chuck, loosen it up, and let's say I wanted to put a twist drill bit in there, I would put it back in forward and tighten. Simple as that. Much easier than they used to be. These have been around for probably 20 years now, but somebody might have an old drill laying around where they would need a keyed chuck to change a drill bit. Different types of drill bits depending on the jobs that you're going to be doing around the house. Again, brad point, twist. This is called a Forstner bit, and we have a speed bit as well, depending on the job that you're doing. Whenever you intend to drill a hole, you should always make sure that you have marked in place where you intend to put the hole. Simply by creating an X, a crisscross, something, you want to be very accurate where you plan on drilling the hole. If you're going to drill a hole that is larger, I would suggest starting with a pilot drill, something smaller first. Placing that point, that tip right on that crisscross. Always recommended that whenever possible you clamp down your project so it's not going to move around on you, so you have two hands available to work the drill. Start a little pilot hole. Make sure the pressure is directly behind the drill bit. Don't hold the handle way back here. Make sure you're right behind the drill bit. Shouldn't take a crazy amount of pressure. You have a pilot hole started. Now I can change out that bit again, put the larger twist drill bit in there. Now I can be much more accurate as to where that twist drill bit is going to start. And I have it where I want it. Speed bits work much the same way. I would not need a smaller pilot hole because of the point on that bit. Again, I would definitely want to mark where my intention would be for the hole, making sure I'm directly behind that bit, starting right on that point, making sure I'm looking down on it so it's going nice and straight. And so on.